a gentleman named Ed-Barsano. Microsoft, I guess you'd call him a guru, genius, retired some years ago, and went into the market himself. He had quite a bit of money when he retired. Of course, that's a blessing from being in Microsoft. But anyway, he decided at that time that he wants to really do something that would really help the average person in the in finances and the stock market. So he created a platform that actually is just, to me, has just been perfected, and he decided to come out in July with that program for everybody. Everybody, you know, I guess everybody in the world, actually. And the beauty of it is that it's totally robotic. So the average person, the housewife, or, you know, the guy that's, you know, working at the gas station, just the average person, 40-hour-a-week guy, can actually now trade like the big guys do, like the professionals. And the outcome will be about the same, because what's happening, he has figured out how to take profits out of every trade, every stock. And it doesn't make any difference if it goes up or down, it still takes profits. And that's the unique part of what he's done. That's what makes him different. That's what makes this software different. He's got everything patented. And what it's been averaging, especially an account that I have with a friend of mine, is it averages about 8 to 10% a month. And it's every month, and it just never misses a trade, because all he's doing is taking profits out of each trade. He doesn't try to beat the market, he doesn't try to beat the stock, he just simply takes profits out of every trade. So you get a little profit out of every trade, and that's the beauty of it. And again, it doesn't make any difference if it goes up or down. So to me, it will change the way the world does trade stocks. It's just getting started here. Matter of fact, we're having our first, well, that's great. I mean, I understand what you're saying with that whole statement. And the same thing with me. What I'm doing with Ed-Barsano, the creator of CoolTrade, he's figured out a way that everybody now can trade stocks and basically make the returns the same every month. It's averaging about 8 to 10% a month on his average, and that'll change the economy as well. That will change the world, the way the world sees the financing now, and
absolutely, absolutely, it's so true, and on that same note, it's going to provide so much opportunity for businesses, for business opportunities, for home-based businesses, as you could say, you know, mothers and people making,
sure,
you know, hemp.
Yes, and there's a lot involved. Raymond, real quick,
yeah,
what's your solution on that? What can we do to help work with them? Great trading.
Well,
they're traders.
My solution, that's a pretty good question there. My solution is, if people have a way of making steady income that they can count on without worry, and you can actually get people to take their 401ks and everything that they've got, you know, they've been used to keeping, and change the way that they can now go forward with retirement and have secured retirement, well, then extra money is always necessary to me to do anything in the future as far as any new projects or anything. So I think actually just more money circulating for these kinds of projects that Tyler's been talking about, that's a pretty good remedy to, money seems to help a lot of things, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Plus survival, meaning surviving what money provides to survive.
Of course, yeah,
yeah.
Exactly, yeah. Tyler has, he's got an interesting program going on there, that's for sure.
You know, you got, I can't tell you we appreciate everything, because what happens is in a time period like now, right, Raymond, we have to become architects, right?
The what?
Create new things, new ways to do stuff. And that's what CoolTraders is all about.
Oh, sure. I think CoolTrader will be a leader in the financial industry all over the world. It'll be not just here, but all over the world.
Yeah. Yeah. Raymond, what else? What last statement? What do you want to know?
Well, I just want to let everybody know that this is just a unique situation that's happened, and Ed's taken 7 years of his life to create this software, and everybody's going to enjoy it. And whoever goes to the website, they can pull up all the details about the company, about all the things they're doing, and basically they can join, they can get involved, they can order the software. I mean, everything that Ed's done is set up for the average person. I think that's my statement. This is something that everybody can do and everybody can enjoy, and they don't have to be a professional. And the money is the same, whether you're a professional or whether you're just an average person. That's the beauty of it all. So,
awesome. Hey, thank you very much.
thank you.
We're getting them there, right?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Ray.
that
Thanks
it?
for watching All Day Life. We'll see you next week.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for having me.